completion at the earliest, sir. सेकेंड एंड थर्ड का रिकमेंडेशंस आ गया सर, रिपोर्ट आ गया, उसको देखिए और उसको टेबल करिए और फोर्थ को आप ऑर्डर करिए सर. Because of this, not only GHMC but all other departments will get a good rightful share in non-plan and plan grants from the state government, sir. Sir, the works on MMTS phase 2 and Krishna water supply project phase 3 are yet to be launched, sir. And the government has promised that they'll bring in the third phase of Krishna water, sir. I would like to know from the government the specific dates as to when this third phase of Krishna water's project would be started, sir. Sir, and also the government should make higher allocation for both these projects so that these are completed, sir, within a short time, the third phase and the Godavari water, sir, and also the MMTS phase 2, sir. The whole city package announced by the late Chief Minister Dr. Y.S. Rajshekhar in 2006 with an outlay of 2,000 crore, 2,025 crore should be completed fast, sir. It has been long that these works have been going, sir. And sir, lastly, sir, an important issue which I would like to bring to the notice of the government and also the city minister, sir. The Hyderabad has been chosen to host for the 11th conference of parties COP2 to the Convention on Biological Diversity from October 1st to 19th this year, sir. Sir, it is a very prestigious conference wherein 7,000 delegates from 193 countries are expected to come to Hyderabad to attend this conference, sir. The mega conference will enhance the global profile of state and Hyderabad in particular, sir. So for this, sir, I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please call for a meeting with all the departmental heads and start the preparation, sir. Because October is not very far, sir. And we have a monsoon. So we have to complete all the projects and all the arrangement for this conference before the commencement of monsoon, sir. That is very important. As of for now, we are late, and I hope that the government and the city ministers would call for a meeting, at least in the chairmanship of our city in charge minister, Madam Geeta Reddy, and see what are the arrangements to be made for this, sir. I would request the chief minister to also sanction 300 crores for the state government funds and use his good office for securing 850 crores for central government for taking up infrastructural and beautification work in GHMC area in connection with this conference, sir. There are many other issues related to GHMC, other civic infrastructure utility connected with Hyderabad. The government should enhance the non-plan and plan grants for HMDA, Hyderabad Water Supply, Sewerage Board, APCPDCL, Metro Circle, RTC Metro Region, Hyderabad and Hyderabad Traffic Police, sir. So also, sir, the Quli Qutub Shah, I am concluding, sir. So the Quli Qutub Shah, sir, has been neglected always, sir. अभी भी जो सैंक्शन जो दिए साहब बजट में जो मंजूरी दी गई बजट की, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ उनकी तनख्वाहों के लिए आता है सर. डेवलपमेंट कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है सर. तो खुली कुतुब शाह को कुछ पैसे देने के लिए मैं हुकूमत से मुतालबा करता हूं, क्योंकि पुराने शहर में जरूरी है साहब उसकी तरक्की के लिए, सर. Lastly, sir, it is unfortunate the state government is dragging its feet in conducting the elections to the civic and panchayat raj bodies in the state in violation of provisions of constitution amendment on panchayat raj and nagar palika, sir. Cooperative polls have also been put up for a couple of years. 99 municipalities and 12 municipal corporations are functioning without elected bodies for the last 17 months. Similarly, Zilla Parishad, Mandal Parishad, Gram Panchayat also without elected bodies since mid-2011. We demand the government to conduct the elections to the urban local bodies, including the 42 new municipalities which are being formed, as well as a panchayat institution immediately, so that the rule of special officers comes to an end, elected functionary take over in the local bodies. Incidentally, I would like to remind the government that 65% of the total population of minorities, Muslim and Christians, live in urban area. Their empowerment will become a reality if the elected bodies are in place, sir. Sir, I thank the Honorable Deputy Speaker for giving me this opportunity, sir, and I commend the motion of thanks on the Governor's address, sir. Thank you very much, sir.